Hello guys, we are at one of our projects, just completed projects, and it's been a while, we're not meeting it for a long time. Here I'm standing at a Godrej project. It's a studio apartment project and we have just completed it. Just look around, see the ambience, it looks amazing. This is the kitchen. Whatever you're seeing is a PU finished kitchen, and now let's go a little bit inside here. Let's have a glimpse of it. Yes, here what you're seeing, the textured wall, it's a wallpaper, and this is a molding. And if you look around, you will not see any false ceiling, but there is a profile light running on it in place of a false ceiling. And we have a curtain running from top to down. And this is, please move this side. Here we have a very tall mirror. It's a LED mirror. If you press here, it changes the color. Right? So here you can use it for dressing. And this is where you place your TV, and we have some cabinets here. And here again we have a molding design embedded here, so it gives a premium and a luxury feels to it. We have a sofa come back here, so if you want to sleep, you can just take it out, pull it out, and there your bed will be. If not, you can just put it inside and it becomes a sofa. So this is just a glimpse of what we have finished in this project. And sure guys, so please look out for another project which is ongoing and yet to finish, and you will get to see lots of amazing projects like this very soon. Thank you, we'll meet again.